So in this way, they have attachment never going less. After then, they are playing, singing, dancing together. So Radharani told, Na Suramana, Na Hamaramani. So Sri Krishna is not sense enjoyer, he is small boy. I am also small girl. I have no any sense enjoyer mood, nothing. We are playing together, dancing, singing, so many play, very funny mood. Duhu mana mano bhava pe saljani. और की बोलছে ওরা কথা বলে না দুহু মনো ভব पे saljani. Both person, both mind coming together and they are playing together, talking, dancing, singing, discussing. So many funny mood. In this way, they are playing in Kunja. Duhu mano vava pe saljani. Both mind coming together. In this way, we are very small. We have no any material desire. We don't know what is lost and come. We don't. But each other mind attractive. I never left to Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna never left to Radharani. So in this way, both are together. E Sakhi Se Sab Prema Kahini Kanutha mein kahave বিছুরাল জানি। আপনারা বসুন, থাকুন, একটু পরে হবে। এ সখী সে সব প্রেম কাহিনী কানুঠা মে কহবি বিছুরাল জানি। Every day they are playing in Kunja, in Vrindavan. After then, Madhvan, Bhadravan, Bhandirvan, Longavan, Khilanvan, Khadirvan. So many forests, so many places. Everywhere we are going and playing together. In this way, we are very funny. Then, each other have attachment. This attachment, Nakhojaladuti, no connections. No other persons making connections. No other persons meeting together. So, not going marriage life. We have no marriage, each other. But each other so much love and affections. In this way, Dukha milane madhya panchavan. We did Ras dance. So many Ras play, so many Kunja Tira, so many play in Brajabhumi, in Vrindavan, in Govardhan, Basanti Ras dance. Only each other attractions. I cannot live without Sri Krishna. And Sri Krishna also cannot live with me. In this way, we have each other love and affections. So, in Brajabhumi we are playing together. Avasohi Pirag Tom Bhelidote Supurukh Premaka Aichanariti. After then, when Sri Krishna 11 years, only 11 years, then he went to Mathura. Sri Krishna not come back. Deep separations move. Brajagopis, they become transcendental mad. By this madness, Brajagopis, they are waiting for Sri Krishna. 3 months already passed. They are fasting, not eating, not drinking water, not going back, house, no change their clothes, nothing. Only waiting for Sri Krishna, always weeping for him. In this way, deep separations move. At the time Uddhav came to Brajabhumi. Uddhav found two Brajagopis. He heard Brajagopis deep separations moved katha. Uddhav Sandesh. After then, day and night, every day, this problem, this mood, deep separations. In this way, Prem, Sneha, Mahan, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav. Radhika's mood is Mahabhav mood. After then, Mohan, Modan, Madan, Prem Vivarta, Ruda, Adhiruda. Sangjalpa, Ajalpa, Bijalpa, Abijalpa, Anujalpa. And Prem Vivarta. At that time everything changed. Sri Krishna living in Mathura or Dwarka. Radharani living in Brajabhumi, in Braj Vrindavan. Sometimes Sri Krishna thinking, oh, I am living in Brajabhumi. I am not here. Sri Krishna feeling separations. Sometimes he is feeling I am living with Gopi. Gopis, they are feeling Sri Krishna is not here, he is in Mathura, feeling separation. When feeling separation, that time they are thinking, oh, Sri Krishna is near. Near to far, far to near. In this way, opposite. When they are meeting together, that time they are thinking, oh, too much deep separations. In this way, Sri Krishna coming and meeting with us. This is Adhiruda Bhav. Sambhug Abhavi Sambhug Spurti. Oh, Sri Krishna is living Mathura or Dwarka. But that time they are thinking Sri Krishna coming, meeting with us, playing with us. After then, sometimes they are thinking Sri Krishna is not here. This is called Prem Vivarta. So Mahaprabhu when here, then covered by hand Radhamanda's face, or I don't speak more. I cannot control these separations more. Radhaya bhavatas prema jatani Radhaya bhavatas chitta jatani Sedit vilapa Junjan Atrini Kunja Kunjarapati Nidhuta Veda Brahmam Chitraya Annaranjaya Iya Brahmanda Harmodare Bhuyavir Navaraga Hingulavari Sringar-kar-kriti. This highest prem Vivarta, separation, deep separations. Then, this bhav, how can find it? This mood, how can come in devotee's life? Srila Rupa Goswami Pad wrote, Radhaya bhavatasya chitta jatani. Radhika's mood is highest mood, this prem not possible. But our heart is jatani. Jatani means lock, box. Very tight, very hard, not melting. But how is melting? How is process? Only process by the fire melting this box. When melting, that time put inside the color, like glass, like Bengal, so many things. So melting, after then give him color. This color making Bengals. Later can wash. This color not going, not clean. Same way, Supreme Lord, ye Brahma, he made this Brahmanda, this house, and painting there Radhika's mood. How is Radhika's mood? How is Radhika's mood? How is Radhika's mood? How is playing? So many painting in Brahmanda, in the inside of the wall. Bhuvir Navaraga Hingula Bharai. So painting, wall painting, how can mood come in? Same way, Radhika's mood painting everywhere. But here saying Hingula Bharai, like Hingu. Hing, smelling. Keep in the kitchen room, automatically everywhere, everything Hingu smell coming. Same way when Radhika's Katha hearing, at a time, so this Radhika's mood coming in devotee's heart. In this way, Radhika's bhav moved coming devotees. प्रभु कही साध्य वस्तु अवधि यही है, तुम्हारा प्रसाद यहाँ जानी लो निश्चय. Mahaprabhu told, this is sadhya vastu, Radhika's bhav, Tamosa bhav. This is end. Avadhi. This is like ocean. So, endless ocean. Radhika's bhav is topmost. So you bless me, so by your mercy I understand this. साध्य वस्तु साधन बिना केह नाही पाय, कृपा करी कह राय पावार उपाय. राय कही जी कहो सही कही बानी, कि करिए भाल मंद কিছুই না জানি. ত্রিভুবন মধ্যে হইছে হয় কোন ধীর, তোমার যে মায়া নাটে হইবে কস্তির. মোর মুখে বক্তা তুমি, তুমি হও শ্রোতা, অত্যন্ত রহস্য শোনা সাধনের কথা. মহাপ্রভু আজ this is Satya, Radhika's Vipralambha bhav. This is topmost moment. But without sadhana, how can find this? So how can follow sadhana? Please tell me what is process? How can find this Radhika's mood? Rai kahi, yei kaho, sei kahi bani. Radhamanda told Prabhu, I am not speaking. What you are saying means so I am speaking. I don't know. Radha Krishna Leela yei ati gudatara, दास वात्सल्यादि भावे ना है गोचर. Radha Krishna sweetness Leela, this is very deep, very secret. Anyone can't understand. Dasaras devotee, Shakharas devotee, Vatsalas devotee, other devotees, they don't know. They cannot find this mood, this bhav. Shavik Sakhi Ganesh ইহাই অধিকার সখী হইতে হয় এই লীলার বিস্তার। Only Sakhis, Radhika's nearest Sakhis, Manjari, they have adhikar. Because Sakhis, Manjari, they are playing and manifesting this Leela. Sakhi bina yei Leela पुष्ट nahi hoy, Sakhi Leela vistariya Sakhi aspadar. Without Sakhi's Manjari, this Leela not fulfilled. And Sakhi, they are testing, manifesting, they are testing. Sakhi bina yei Leela अन्नेर नाहि गति, सखी भावे जे तारे करे अनुगति. Without Sakhis, anyone cannot enter inside. Who is following to Sakhis Manjari, they can serve to Radha Govinda. Radha Krishna Kunja Seva साध्य से ही पाए सही साध्य पाइते आर नहीं कयो पार. They are serving to Radha Krishna, otherwise anyone cannot serve. They cannot come. Sakira Savavi Akat Katha Krishna sa nija leelai nahi Sakhir man. Sakhir nature. They never meet with Radha, with Krishna. But they are managing Radha and Krishna coming together. Krishna sa Radhikar Leela je karai Nija sukh haite tate Kote sukh paai. Radha and Krishna both are coming together, both are meeting. In this way, Sakhi, they are very happy. Million way, billion way, they become happy. Radha Sarup Krishna Prem Kalpalata Sakhigan Vaitar Palla Puspapata. Radharani is Prem Kalpalata, desired creepers. Sakhigan, in the creepers, they are leaves and flowers. Krishna Leela Amrita Jadi Lata ke Sinchai Nija Sukh Haite Pallavadir Kote Sukh Hai. Yadyapi Sakhir Krishna Sanjami Nai Man Tathapi Radhika Jatne Karana Sangam Nana Chale Krishna Preri Sangam Karai Atma Sukh Sangha Haite Kote Sukha Pai. Anna Vishuddha Preme Kare Rasa Pushta Dasavar Prem Dekhi Krishna Hai Tushta Sahaja Gopir Prem Nahi Prakita Kam Kam Kida Sammitar Kai Kamanam Nijendriya Sukh Hetu Kamera Tatparya Krishna Sukh Hetu Krishna Sukh Tatparya Gopi Bhava Varya Nijendriya Sukha Vanchanai Gopikar Krishna Sukh Dete Kare Sangama Vihar. Sei Gopi Bhava Amrite Jarno Bhai वेद धर्म तो जैसे कृष्ण के भजन. So, Braja Gopis, they don't want to meet with Sri Krishna. They are managing how Radha and Krishna both are coming together. They are playing together. So Radharani is serving to Sri Krishna. Krishna is happy. In this way, Sakhi, always they are managing, serving, this is their mood. So tomorrow we are speaking. Okay? Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari.